Field in line for the first of 9. They're off right away. Capture My Ship in the green in the center. Shows good early speed. Adenosine is also rushing up to challenge for it. Nearest to us in the yellow with the blue cap, that's a Phoenix Risen as they spread across the course. The grey Restoration runs a dead center of the racetrack as they come away now toward the final quarter. Adenosine under the stands, attacked all the while by a Phoenix Risen. Restoration, that's where the race is at the moment. Restoration now asked to quicken up, but Adenosine looks to have the overall advantage from Phoenix Risen and a Restoration. Capture My Ship coming with a late run toward the center. It's Adenosine. Here is a Restoration now closing rapidly inside the final 16th. A Restoration now accelerates toward the end. Well timed. Restoration beats Adenosine. Phoenix Risen, Capture My Ship, and a Sniper Man looks to be 5th.
Thank you for watching another video produced by the team from QuickGallopJaia.com and its YouTube channel, The Quick Galloper. Please stay on the channel for other enlightening videos on those involved in local horse racing. Please like, subscribe, and press the notification bell.